Creating an online store can feel like a daunting task, especially with so many platforms out there promising to be the best. BigCommerce is often part of that conversation, but does it live up to the hype? Well, if you're wondering whether it's the right choice for your business, you're in the right place. So let's explore what makes BigCommerce tick so you can decide if it fits your goals. But before we go into the rest of the video, if you guys want to try out BigCommerce, then check out the link in the description to get the best deal available for them, so consider that if you're interested. At its core, BigCommerce is a platform designed to help businesses build and manage online stores. Whether you're a small business just getting started or a larger company looking to scale, BigCommerce aims to meet your needs with a wide array of features. Its reputation for scalability makes it especially attractive to businesses with large inventories or those with big growth ambitions. One of BigCommerce's biggest draws is its robust set of built-in tools. Unlike some platforms that rely heavily on third-party apps, BigCommerce provides essential features like SEO, marketing, and inventory management right out of the box. This means less juggling of external tools and more focus on running your business. Now, BigCommerce offers a ton of features, but the question is, how practical are they? Starting with the store design, the platform provides a collection of sleek, mobile-friendly templates. While the free options are limited, they're professional and functional, and the premium themes take things up a notch with more variety and advanced customization options. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can tweak layouts, fonts, and colors using the intuitive editor. For those with coding skills, BigCommerce offers the flexibility to work with HTML and CSS. Managing your inventory is another area where BigCommerce excels. The platform simplifies bulk uploads, product variations, and category organization, making it a great option for stores with extensive catalogs. If you're selling hundreds or even thousands of products, you'll appreciate how efficient it is to manage everything in one place. BigCommerce also stands out when it comes to integrations. Whether it's email marketing with MailChimp, accounting with QuickBooks, or shipping through ShipStation, the platform connects seamlessly with the tools you're already using. For businesses looking to expand beyond their own site, BigCommerce supports multi-channel selling with Amazon, eBay, and Facebook shops, letting you manage everything from one dashboard. Marketing tools are another highlight. BigCommerce's built-in SEO features like customizable URLs and meta tags are designed to help your store rank higher in search results. You'll also find tools for running promotions, offering gift cards, and recovering abandoned carts. Combined with its analytics, which give you insights into sales and customer behavior, BigCommerce makes it easier to refine your strategies and grow your business. So BigCommerce offers a lot, but that level of functionality can feel overwhelming at first. The dashboard is packed with options, which might be intimidating for beginners. However, as you spend time exploring the tools, the platform starts to feel more intuitive. It's not the simplest e-commerce solution out there, but the learning curve is manageable and the payoff is definitely worth it. If you're someone who values functionality over simplicity, BigCommerce is a platform you can grow with. For those who prioritize ease of use, it might take some extra patience, but the tools you gain access to make the effort worthwhile. However, what do all these features matter if your site doesn't perform well? And fortunately, BigCommerce delivers where it counts. The platform is built to handle high traffic without slowing down, which is important during promotions or seasonal surges. Its reliable uptime and fast load speeds make sure that your customers have a smooth experience, and it helps them stay on your site. Pricing is always a key factor when choosing an e-commerce platform, and BigCommerce offers 4 plans: Standard, Plus, Pro, and Enterprise, starting at $29 per month for the standard option. Each plan comes with a range of features with advanced options like customer segmentation and Google customer reviews available at higher tiers. The pricing is straightforward and predictable, which is a big plus for businesses that like to plan ahead. It's worth noting that BigCommerce requires you to upgrade your plans as your annual sales exceed certain thresholds. While some might see this as a downside, it's actually a sign that the platform grows with you. Instead of limiting your business, these upgrades make sure that you have the tools and support needed to handle increased demand. And then when you run into an issue, good customer support can be a lifesaver. BigCommerce offers 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email, making it easy to get help when you need it. So BigCommerce's biggest strength is its scalability. With its robust built-in features, you won't need to rely on a stack of third-party apps to run your store. Its multi-channel selling capabilities and strong SEO tools also give you a competitive edge when it comes to reaching customers and growing your online presence. That said, the platform's complexity might feel like a hurdle for beginners, but if you think about it, this complexity is a sign of its depth. It's designed to meet the needs of businesses ready to scale, not just those looking for a quick setup. Taking all of that into consideration, how does it stack up against other platforms though? Compared to Shopify, BigCommerce offers more built-in features at no extra cost, saving you from relying on third-party apps. Shopify, however, excels in its app store and design flexibility, making it a great choice for people who want more aesthetic options or easy customization. WooCommerce, as a WordPress plugin, is a powerhouse for customization, but it requires technical expertise and ongoing maintenance. BigCommerce, on the other hand, offers an all-in-one solution with less hassle, which is ideal for businesses that want to focus on growth rather than back-end management. All in all, if you're running a growing business or managing a large product catalog, BigCommerce is an excellent choice. It's designed for entrepreneurs who are ready to scale and want a platform that can handle their ambitions. Its built-in tools and multi-channel selling capabilities make it a versatile option for businesses looking to expand their reach. For those just starting out or working with a limited budget, simpler platforms like Shopify or Wix might be a better fit. But if you're ready to invest time in learning a feature-rich platform, BigCommerce can do wonders. And that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And if you want to take advantage of the best deal available for BigCommerce, then check out that link in the description. At any rate though, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.